Hi, good morning everyone. Let's get started with our next topic, which is product availability matrix in SAP HANA. In this topic, we will see the different products which are available in SAP HANA. We will be seeing the HANA database, the different versions of HANA database. We'll be seeing the suite on HANA. We'll see the different components in suite on HANA. Okay, to start, what we need to do is we need to go to this particular URL. Take note of this URL. This stands for product availability matrix. So any sizing in SAP is done using this. So this is one of the product availability matrix, that is what are the products which are available. Okay, so in this case it's SAP HANA product. Now once we type this URL, it will take you to this particular page. Okay, so this page will open automatically and here is a search button. So in this search button you can type anything. Say for example, I can type HANA there. Okay, on typing HANA you can see that there are different products with the search HANA has come. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to select the respective product for us. So this is the product that we are interested in, which is SAP HANA Platform Edition 1.0. Okay, so just select this particular product and you will see that this matrix, it will give you the different matrix. And here if I just take out SAP HANA from, and we will see the different HANA products which is available. Okay, now here this is the key product that we will be focusing on because this is our SAP HANA database. Now these are the different products. So this is our HANA database, and let's look at these products also quickly before we get into the details of this particular HANA database. This is our suite on HANA, that is EHP 6 for SAP ERP 6.0 on HANA. So this is ERP powered by HANA. Then we have Solution Manager 7.1 on HANA. So this Solution Manager is on HANA. BI 9.0 for SAP HANA. So this is BI version for SAP HANA. Then you have CRM for CRM on HANA. Okay, so if we go down from here, we will see the other products, key products. So these are some of the important suite on HANA products, which is SCM on HANA. Okay, so this is EHP2 for SCM on HANA. Okay, then these are some of the applications for HANA, and here you can see that SAP BI 8.8 for HANA. Okay, then mobility access. Okay, so these are some of the key products which have been rolled out so far HANA. So you can see that within few, that is in the last 3 years, HANA has gained so many products, and you can see that you have suite on HANA, that is ERP on HANA, SCM on HANA, CRM on HANA. Okay, so let's get into this particular database, that is SAP HANA Platform Edition 1.0. Okay, so I'll click on this particular tab, and here you can see that details for product version. Okay, so this is current as of this particular date. Okay, so this is the current date, but if I click on this window, it will give me the details about this particular product. Okay, so let me show you the details for this product. Here you can see that these are the details for this particular product. This is a customer copy, and this is the copy which tells us which products have been rolled out. Okay, so now here let me increase this particular size little bit so that you get a clear visibility on this. Okay, so this is supported hardwares. Okay, you can see the list of the supported hardware. This list is increasing day by day. They started with 5 and now there are 11 vendors which are providing SAP HANA appliances. You can see that the vendors is ranging from Dell, Fujitsu, HP, IBM. Okay, So then you have Cisco, Dell. Okay, so these are some of the key vendors which is listed here. Okay, so we will be going into the rest of the vendors also, but take note of this matrix. You have the server system, that is the type of the hardware. You have the CPU, log volume. You can see that there is log volume is 1 times the memory. That is, if suppose the system is having say 128 gig of memory, the log volume is at least 128 gig, and the data volume is at least 4 times the memory. Okay, so this is the requirement, that is the sizing requirement. Okay, then you have the CPU and you have the file system type ext3, and take note of the operating system. This HANA is rolled out only on one operating system, which is SUSE Linux 11 SP1. Okay, so this is the only operating system which is supported by SAP. So the HANA is rolled out only for this product. Okay, so let's see the details about the other. So this is supported hardware platforms for SAP HANA single node 2 of 8. So basically what you are seeing is that this spreadsheet is spread across 8 pages. Okay, so we can scroll down one by one. We just take note of the different vendors. We have seen Fujitsu. We are seeing Hitachi. Okay, then we have this one, and we have Lenovo, NEC. Okay, then so you can see that this is VCE. Okay, so here you can see the list of the different vendors, and there is one more vendor called Lenovo, which is certified to sell only in China. So this is the list of all the vendors for Business Suite on HANA, for the other hardware platforms. Okay, so whether it is BW on HANA or another application on HANA, this is the software. And when it comes to Suite on HANA, so this is the page for Suite on HANA. You can see that for Suite on HANA, the number of certified vendors is not that big, that many. So you have Cisco, Dell, Fujitsu, Hitachi. Okay, so then we have NEC, IBM, HP. Okay, then we have this one. So these are the vendors certified for SAP Business Suite on HANA. So as we have seen the Suite on HANA, what it is, so this configuration is only supported for ERP, CRM, SCM powered by SAP HANA. Okay, so if your application is any of these three, then this is the page 7 and 8. So these are the two pages which applies. Okay, for rest of the applications which is you want to run on HANA, these are the different vendors and their hardware configurations. Okay, now let's look at the memory sizes, because that is the key thing here. Okay, so let's take this particular vendor, say Cisco. It has the memory of 128 gig, 256 gig, 512 gig. So these are the three combinations which is available. Say for Dell, this is the same combinations. For Fujitsu, let's look at this. Okay, so here you can see that it has combination up to 1 terabyte, and there are different combinations for 256 with solid state disk. Okay, then we have 10K RPM disk. Okay, so basically what we are seeing here is that there are different product matrix, there are different combinations of hardwares which is certified to run on HANA, but the main thing, the most important thing is the memory. Okay, so the minimum configuration that is certified to run on HANA is, here you can see that 128 is the minimum. Okay, so for most of the vendors you can see that Cisco, Dell, Fujitsu. Okay, then we have Hitachi is starting from 256. Okay, then we have HP which is starting from 128 gig. This is 128 gig. Okay, so there will be a question like, suppose if this is the largest available, say 1 terabyte, or there are some with 2 terabyte also, but in case if the requirement is, say, I have the database of, say, 8 terabyte, how I am going to use HANA? So in that case, there will be a scalable architecture will be used. That is, you have the 8 terabyte which is spread across 8 different systems. So that's how you will be scaling the memory, and the memory in all these systems will be together used to take care of this 8 terabyte of data. Okay, so this is about the this particular matrix. Okay, that is the product availability matrix. Now let's look at this general information here. Okay, so here let's look at some very important information, which is the software download center. Here you can see that these are the two key things where we can go and download this product. Let's look at the technical release information. In the technical release information, take note of whenever you download SAP HANA database, the entire package that is released. Okay, so you will have these many different products here. You have HANA database. Okay, so if we go to the details of this, we will see the details about the HANA database, which is running on SUSE Linux. And okay, so this is one thing. And if we go back to the overview, you can see the HANA clients. Let's look at the clients because we need to install the clients as well. So database platform, you can see, is just SAP HANA database 1.0. Operating system is this. Let's come back here and you can see that SAP HANA client for Excel, Studio, HANA Studio. This is the most important client application using which you will manage the entire HANA system. Okay, then you have Information Composer. This is basically a tool which is used by the business users who doesn't know enough about the coding, the programming language, but using this tool they can generate very good reports. Okay, then we have AFL, application function library, LCA app, smart data access. So just take note of this smart data access, and this smart data access helps SAP HANA to connect to the big data. It can connect to Teradata, it can connect to Hadoop. Okay, it can connect to Sybase IQ. So using this interface and the Service Pack 7, which is released just today itself, and using that, SAP HANA can connect to Oracle database also using the Smart Data Access plugin. Okay, so that is about this particular, these different product instances that is there. Okay, we have seen the database systems. So database, it has to be, okay, so this is for the smart data access. And if we select, say, HANA database, so let's go at the details of this. So this is the HANA database. Operating system, it has to be just one operating system, which is SUSE Linux. So SAP HANA doesn't work on any other operating system except SUSE Linux. So this is the only operating system which is certified to run SAP HANA database. Okay, and just take note of the version as well. So it is SUSE Linux version 11 here. Okay, so that is pretty much about the product availability matrix that I wanted to cover today. Thank you for joining me and have a nice day. Bye bye.